School starts tomorrow, and I haven't done any of this. I should have started weeks ago. Summer vacation! Finally!
Just a little bit each day, and it will be easy.
I promise I'll spread it out.
Homework can wait. This is way more fun.
Tom, don't forget your homework page today.
I'll do it later. There's plenty of time. Best summer ever!
Just checking. How's the homework coming along?
There's still weeks left, Dad.
Only 1 week left of summer.
Just one more day of fun first. Wait, I never did any of this. There's so much left. What am I gonna do?
All right, let's see what we can do tonight.
Mom, I didn't do my homework all summer. I need help.
We'll do this together, 1 page at a time.
Let's work through this math page together.
Good, now write your answer right here.
Almost through this stack.
Look how much progress we've made.
Done! I actually finished it. So tired. First day of school. All finished, ready for school. Next summer, I'll do a little bit every day. Waiting until the last night is so stressful.
A little bit of work each day is always easier than all of it at once.
And it's never too late to ask for help.
Enjoyed the story? Please subscribe.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
An F? No. Mom can't see this. Mom and Dad must never see this. Yes! I'm the best at this game.
Lily, it's time to study for tomorrow's test.
I don't need to study, Mom. I'm already the smartest kid in my class.
Just a little review can make you even stronger.
I know everything. That test will be easy.
I hope she changes her mind.
Just one game, then I'll study. Just one more game. Just one more round. I'm still number 1. I feel so tired. I stayed up all night playing games. I don't remember this lesson. My grade. Wait. An F? Not again. Not again. Mom and Dad must never see this. Did you get your test back? No. The teacher hasn't returned it yet. No one will find it here. What's this? Lily really got an F. I have to tell them. Don't I? You have to tell Mom and Dad. Please don't tell them. Give me one day. I'll fix everything. A secret like this can hurt her more.
Something is bothering you, sweetheart.
I'm worried about someone I love.
We'll celebrate when her results arrive.
She's worked hard this term.
The teacher wants to meet us tomorrow.
Then we need to understand what's going on. We should pay closer attention this week.
The meeting is tomorrow.
Are you telling us the whole truth, Lily?
Maybe. Maybe the school made a mistake. Stop, Lily. Another lie will only make it worse. I'm scared. I got an F, and I hid it. I lied because I was scared. The grade hurts less than the lie. I ruined everything.
An F does not decide who you are. You're still my amazing girl.
Being number one means nothing if I'm not honest.
I forgive you. Now we'll rebuild trust, one step at a time.
I'm ready to start again. My goal comes first. Read the question carefully. One step at a time. May I study with you? Of course. Let's learn together. Don't only look at the grade. Look at how far you've climbed. Then I'll keep climbing. Wait. I've got it. I can turn this into a quiz game. Final question. Are you ready? Ready!
Stay calm and do your best.
I will, Mom. I'm ready. I can do this. One question at a time. I did it!
Your hard work made a wonderful difference.
Welcome back, study partner. I'll keep learning, I promise.
We are proud of her honesty.
That matters more than any grade.
Being number one is not about never failing. It's about learning and trying again. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next adventure. Bye! Help! Please! I'm stuck! Please, not closer, please.
Tom! Where are you?
We have to find him now!
The zoo! We're finally here!
Rule number 1 today, we always stay together. Deal?
Deal! I promise, Dad. Everything is so colorful. Look, pink flamingos!
Look at how big they are.
He's tickling my hand! Lions! My favorite!
Lions are next, but remember, we stay together as a group.
Yes. I can't see anything from here. There's a space right there.
Let's fix your shoe, sweetheart.
Just a quick peek, then I'll come right back. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Wow. He's so close.
Tom? John, where's Tom? I don't see him anywhere.
Mom? Dad? Which way did we come from? I need to find Mom and Dad. Mom! Dad! Mom! It's getting dark. Just until the rain stops. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. What was that? I need to get out of here. It's stuck! Help, somebody!
Tom! Where are you?
Please, my son is missing. He's 6 years old, yellow shirt. All staff, we have a missing child, 6 years old, yellow shirt. Begin search immediately.
Is Tom lost, Mommy?
Let's check the staff areas. This gate shouldn't be closed like this. Checking now. This way! They found something! Almost got it open.
Someone's coming!
There you are, little guy. You're safe now. Thank goodness.
Don't you ever scare me like that again.
I'm so glad you're okay.
That area isn't safe for visitors. Some enclosures back there need extra distance. I'm glad we found him quickly.
I'm sorry I let go of your hand. I promise I'll always stay close now. Let's go see the penguins together.
Always stay close to the people you trust in crowded places.
And remember, curiosity is wonderful, but safety always comes first.
If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.
And like and share my videos.